Having trouble updating your Windows but don't want to break a sweat over it? No worries, I'm here to guide you through fixing that hiccup. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Tweak the Windows Update Service configuration. Start by clicking on the search icon and typing in CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and click Yes. Then type sc-config WUAU-SERV start equal auto and hit enter. After that, type sc-config crypt svc start equals auto and press enter. Following that, type sc-config bits start equals enter equals auto and press enter. Then type sc-config trusted installer start equals auto and hit enter. Don't fret, you'll find these commands in the video description below. Once done, restart your computer and check if that resolves the issue. Solution 2. Reset your network configuration settings. First off, click on the search icon and type in CMD. Then right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator and click Yes. Now type netsh-winstock reset and hit enter. After that, type ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter. Next, type ipconfig/release and hit enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press enter. Following that, type netsh-int-ip-reset and hit enter. Don't worry, I'll list these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and see if you can update now. Solution 3. Restart the Windows Update Service. For this, click on the search icon and type in PowerShell. Next, right-click on Windows PowerShell, select Run as Administrator and click Yes. Now type net-stop WUAU-SERV and hit enter. Then type net-stop bits and hit enter. After that, type net-stop MSI server and hit enter. Then type net-stop DOSVC and hit enter. Next, type net-start WAU-SERV and hit enter. Then type net-start bits and hit enter. After that, type net-start MSI server and hit enter. Lastly, type net-start DOSVC and hit enter. Don't worry, you'll find these commands in the video description below. Now, check if that helps the issue. Solution 4. Repair Windows system files. To begin, click on the Windows search icon and type in CMD. Then right-click on Command Prompt from the search results, select Run as Administrator and click on Yes. Now in this window, type in sfc/scan now and hit enter. After that, type in dism/online/cleanup-image/check health and press the enter key. Next, type dism/online/cleanup-image/scan health and press enter. Then type in dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health and hit enter. Don't worry, you can copy these commands from the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer, and after your computer turns on, these issues should be gone. And that's how you deal with the update not working issue on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.